In the previous video, I have explained you how I have unpacked this 3D tempered glass from this box which is given. So now I will explain you how I am going to install this in my mobile. So they have provided the cleaner steps like step 1 clean, step 2 put your mobile in this box which they have given, and remove the cover on the tempered glass and put it nicely and squeeze it. Here we need to put it the tempered glass here. Here how to squeeze the bubbles if any other, and we need to squeeze the bubbles right, left and right like this. They have clearly explained, which if you want to, if you are interested, you can also read in case. So now I am trying to see how this looks. So screen protector university logo, they have kept Oneplus logo, and tempered glass screen protector. To ensure accurate fingerprint recognition, please re-enter your fingerprints after changing your protector. Okay, they are asking to again register your fingerprints. So this is the one. First I will remove any dust in case if we have contacted on this. In case of any dust, we can remove with this cloth easily. This is the glass. This is the top one, I guess. And this is the where we need to remove the sticker clearly. So this is the top one, no need to worry. And I can remove like this. Okay, we are also already getting bubbles if you worry and remove. So let it be. We are not getting any bubbles in the mobile as of now. So here we have got a bubble when removing, then let it be. So it's not an issue. So now I am removing the dust on this. First I am removing the existing default back cover they have given, and this is the one. I need to remove this. I need to remove some dust on this. First I will clean with this. So we are not going to install our tempered glass on this cover, right? Existing default one. The default one I am going to remove. See, it's very thin. Just it's a cover, simple, very thin cover. It's not protect your screen at all. So if in case any gum or any bubbles are there, I want to remove. So I want to keep this inside the where they have given, not this side, I think. Not this side. This side I need to keep the mobile. Not sure, it's not going in. It's not going in this way also. So I think I need to keep my mobile like this. Yeah, so it's correct now. I have kept mobile this inside this. So this we can use throwaway after using this. Which let us clean one more, because I might have some fingerprints on this. Now where is the dust collector? We have a dust collector. Okay, this is the dust collector. I found it. It's fall down. Sorry. Yeah, now I can remove this dust removal sticker. Please peel the backing of the dust removal sticker using the sticker. Remove any dust from the screen and screen protector. This will stop bubbles from forming. This will stop bubbles from forming. So this is the one, right? No, this is the one. This is not the one. This is not the one. This is the one which collects the bubbles. Just like this, it is sticking. If any I'm slowly removing all the dust. It's very sticky. We keep it aside. Oh, that's not have. I can see some particle here still. You can closely have a look. Any dust particles are still there. Now we are ready to install the temper glass. Now I am removing this. Okay. I will just keep it properly. It's settling. It's somewhat bubble came. Camera also looks good. We got a bubble in the middle, and we will use this. We'll do from here, but it seems camera not well settled, right? Environment is set, right? So what to do? Camera, it's okay. Camera, okay. Now I will slowly squeeze this. So bubbles will remove. You see, bubbles are removed, and still we have one bubble on the camera side. So I'm doing one more time here. You see one bubble. I'm just putting it away. I think it's there on particle. Not disturbing here. It's not a bubble, some dust particle. So we got that. So I will drawing in right, left as well. Dust particle, that is dust particle. You can see here. Now how to remove, get rid of the dust particle? I'm not sure. That is not going. We'll again need to try to remove that. If it comes out good, otherwise here we have one dust particle clearly visible. I can nail it with my finger. Again I am doing, since my installation didn't went well, I am cleaning it once more, and I put this inside this, right? I need to put like this. So I'm installing it again, and my first installation is not went well, so I'll do it for second time. Let's see now. Now it went successfully. Now we have some bubble. I'll squeeze it anyhow. Now we will slowly. We have one more particle. The dust particle is making me so much of. I have one more particle.